Today, I'll show you how to connect a custom domain to Blogger step by step the correct way. Step 1. Open Blogger settings. First, log into your blogger.com and select your blog from here. And now inside of here, scroll down and then go to settings. Inside of settings, look for publishing. Under publishing, find custom domain. Click on it. Inside of here, set your domain name. Type your domain in this format: www.yourdomain.com. So for example, this is my domain. Now, if you click save, you'll receive an error with to CNAME, which is completely normal. Go here and copy the name and destination and paste them in your domain provider. For example, go to your domain provider, whether it's Google or any domain provider, and put the name and destination inside of there. After that, go back to Blogger and click save again. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.